Oh, morning, okay.
What's going on? Look at these balloons.
Yeah, they're fantastic, aren't they? We're just getting ready for open morning.
Amazing. What can we expect from open morning?
Oh, we're hoping getting lots of new families looking round. We've got loads of children here showing what the school's all about. Families can come and talk to staff as well. Amazing. Have a look round. There might even be an ice cream van later, so we're all looking forward to that.
What's your favourite ice cream flavour, Mr. Hardy?
I'm going to go for mint chocolate chip, I think, so I'm hoping there is some for
solid
later on.
choice. Have a nice day.
Okay, and you. See you soon. Bye.
Hello.
Hello.
How's it all going?
It's trying to get a route through for all the visitors. Just make it an obvious route through.
Yeah.
That's quite challenging.
It's looking good though. I feel like it's a little bit quieter than what it's going to be like tomorrow. Hi ladies.
Hi.
How's it going? Are we all prepared and ready to go, do you think?
I think so.
Good. Under control.
Under control. All under control.
Love it.
Went to the trees.
Trees. Oh, okay. When are the trees arriving? That's brilliant. I'll come back in a little bit then, maybe, and have a look at the trees arrival. Great. See you guys in a bit. Hi guys.
Hiya.
What's happening over here? Think you're going to have enough teas and coffees and things for the people coming tomorrow?
Yes, absolutely.
I love it. It's like everyone's got it under control. It's great.
Rather.
Okay. Well, I will leave you to keep busy, and I'll see what else is going on around the site.
So hi Louis, you're an old whack who's come to help for our open event. Is it nice to be back?
Yeah, I love it. I've just been in my old form room, which is, it's been about 4 years since I've last been there.
Lovely. And what are you doing now?
I just finished my Masters in Genetics and I'm doing a PGCE in Biology, so I'm hoping to help with some of the teaching here.
Oh, fantastic. And what do you hope for today? What are you looking forward to seeing?
Upstairs they've got the Flashes and Bangs show going on and I'm hoping to give a hand with that so I can get some skills for this year.
Brilliant. Turn around, let's have a quick look at your t-shirt. Yay. Have an amazing morning. I'll see you soon.
Well, thank you.
Dr. William.
Oh, hi, welcome.
What's going on in science today?
So today we've got chemistry and physics in this building and we've got loads going on. We've got expanding marshmallows under pressure. We've got looking at the different masses of the planets. We've got creating fireworks and sparklers at the front. A bit of chromatography. And we've even got loads of optical illusions going on. And that's just the start of it.
This is the place to be on open house.
It is. I think it is. We've got a flashbang show later on upstairs. We've got lots of bangs and experiments and fire going on. And it's just a really fun environment at the minute. Lots of people to chat to.
Enjoy the rest of the day.
Thanks. Nice to see you.
Morning, Mr. Dewar.
Good morning, Mrs. Kennedy. How are you doing?
I'm very well. How are you?
Very good, thank you.
Are you
Very
looking
good.
forward to open morning?
Always look forward to open morning.
What have we got to look forward to?
Lots of music going off around there and just generally showing off the school, which is a brilliant place to be.
Lovely.
So,
Enjoy yourself.
Will do.
See you soon.
See you later. Bye-bye.
Go.